Dear students, in this part we will discuss steps involved in extraction of metals. Steps involved in extraction of metals. First step, dressing of ores. Dressing of ores, it is the method to concentrate the ore by removing impurities. In simple language, we can also say washing. In this, there are four steps. First step is the hydraulic method. First step is the hydraulic method, hydrolytic method. In this method, separation principle involves difference in densities of components mix. ऐसे mixtures जिनको separate करते हैं which have different densities, we can separate it out with the help of hydrolytic method. Second, magnetic separation method. Second method is magnetic separation method. This is the principle in which components which have magnetic nature can be separated out from the ore. Means the magnetic impurities can be separated out from the mixture. Third one is the froth flotation method. Flotation method. This is the method in which principle involve preferential wetting. Preferential wetting is used in this. And last and fourth method of this step is chemical method, by which separation of chemicals like NaOH, chemicals is involved with the help of using chemicals like some bases like NaOH. Second step. Second step is oxide formation. In this method, concentrated ore is converted to its oxide form. Remember here one point, dear students. If any ore is in oxide form already, like alumina, bauxite is the oxide ore, so we will skip this second step. In this second step, the ores which are non-oxide ores, which do not contain oxygen, like sulfide ores or carbonate ores, they can convert into oxide. In this, we are using two steps. One is roasting. Definition of roasting and calcination is very important. One is roasting and other is calcination. One is roasting and other is calcination. Roasting is what? Roasting is the process in which concentrated ore are heated in excess of air. Heated in excess of air, like zinc sulfide, when heated in excess of air, it gives zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. Yes, so zinc sulfide on heating in excess of oxygen gives zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. Second process is the calcination. In calcination, concentrated ores like carbonate ores are heated in absence or in lack of air, by which carbonate dissociate into oxides and carbon dioxide eliminate from that. So like zinc carbonate on heating in absence of oxygen gives zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Now third step. Step third is the reduction process. Reduction process, in this method, metallic oxide which are formed by the roasting or calcination process converts into its metal. For this, for conversion of oxide to metals, we have three methods. One is electrolysis, second is reducing agents, third is thermal decomposition. One by one we will discuss all the steps. First step is electrolysis. Electrolysis is a process by which potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, which are very reactive metals, can be separated out. Reactive metals. These are very reactive metals. They are separated out by this method, electrolysis. We will do simply electrolysis of these. and we will get pure metal. Second method is reducing agent. Some ores, some metals like zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen or copper. These are moderately active. Neither much more moderately, sorry, moderately moderately reactive metals. These can be separated out or obtained by using reducing agent. The reducing agent which are used in this process are carbon monoxide or mercury. These are act as a reducing agent. Third step involved in this is thermal decomposition. Use of heat. On heating, we get some metals which are very less reactive, yani least reactive, like mercury, silver, like metals are separated out with the help of thermal decomposition method. So beta, in this method, by the reduction method, we have separated out very reactive metals, moderate metals, and last least reactive metal. There are three steps. Most reactive metals are separated out by electrolysis. Reducing agent add करने पर moderate reactive and least reactives can be separated out by thermal decomposition on heating. Right? Thermal decomposition means heating. Fourth and last step of the electrolysis. This is the electro refining process. In this method, impure metal is converted to pure metal by purification. Pure metal obtained at cathode. Keep it in your mind, always pure metal will obtain on cathode. Clear for everyone? So beta, we have followed 4 steps in the purification of metals from their ores. First step was First step was dressing, second one oxide formation, third reduction process, and last one is the electro refine. Now we will discuss next extraction particular exam with a particular example in next part, extraction of aluminium from its main ore bauxite. This will be the short explanation of extraction of aluminium from bauxite. So watch next part of this.